Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Record KM4-80-0802 rocker switch kit and cable. This is obviously a rocker switch with its cable. That much you knew. Okay. On, off, and open. Your positions, obviously intended to fit into the end of your unit. For the 6000 or 8000 series swinger, test button obviously. That cable, let's get an idea of how long that cable is, just for the sake of recording that data. About 38 inch is the length of the cable. 38 inch in length. Speaking of dimensions, the overall height, about 2 3/4. The overall width, about 1 3/8. Okay. Board on the back. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Record KM products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Record KM 4-80-0802 rocker switch kit with cable or any other Record KM product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.